Hey guys, so here I am with my car screen protector, and this will work on the Model Y 2020 to 2024 and the Model 3 2017 to 2023. So I have my Model Y here, and what I'm going to do is show you guys kind of how it works, and then I'll go back to show you it actually installed on here. So it's super simple how this works. I mean, these are always perfect. So how it works is you put it on top of here, you put it on top of the screen, and then so you align the tool, then you pull this tab out here, and then you put your hand across here, and then it goes on it. So that's perfect. I already actually put one of these on because I couldn't wait. And so I actually got two of them, and it has this to kind of slide it on here. So you could see exactly kind of what it looks like when it's on the screen here. And so it's nice, it's on there, it's all sturdy, and this is perfect. I mean, it's perfect because if my kids or whoever it is ends up knocking into this, then they won't scratch the screen, and I got a big screen protector on it. So this is perfect, and this totally works, and I like this one because it's the fingerprint resistance, and that doesn't get reflective because when you're driving wherever it is, and it perfectly fits. I mean, as you can see, so it paused there for a second, but what I was going to say is this is sweet and perfect, and it's thin and perfectly fits around the edge, and it's a perfect fit. And I like it because it's scratch resistant, fingerprint resistant, and it's not reflective. So if the sun's coming in and you're driving somewhere, it won't be all reflecting in your face, because that's the worst thing. And so this is perfect. I mean, it perfectly fit, and I'm definitely going to give this a thumbs up.